ribeye steak stew in an oven. Let me give you this recipe, guys. My name is Mair. You're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. So I have 3.5 pounds of ribeye steak. Okay, it's all rinsed. I have 4 beautiful pieces of ribeye steak. I have 4 beautiful yellow potatoes, and I have some dry ingredients, and I have some garlic, I have some onion, I have some chilies going on here, and I have some tomatoes. Take approximately about 2 hours of your time, but this recipe can feed about 6 people. It's very easy recipe, so enjoyable recipe. So you will need definitely a baking pot. Look at the steak, ribeye steak, beautiful pieces, man, right? So we will land the steak roughly right now in our baking pot. 1 medium size white onion, whole 1 white onion, whole garlic bulb, don't worry about it. Once you add onion and garlic in here, you will need 1 whole cup of olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil, and if you want to go by the tablespoon, at least 15 tablespoons of olive oil. It goes in here. This is coriander powder. Look at here. So 1.5 tablespoon of coriander. This is cumin powder, freshly grounded. 1, 2, and 3. Freshly grounded black pepper. 1 whole tablespoon goes in here. This is optional. This is crushed red chili. 1 and 2. The crushed red chili is not spicy. Remember our 1 white onion and the 1 whole bulb of garlic. You guys remember that, right? It's all blended. It's all paste. Let's just add it right here. Peeled yellow potatoes. Slice them from the middle and just add it right here. Again, very easy. Man, this recipe is a bomb. Once you peel it, take the skin off, slice them from the middle, just add it right here, 4 of them. Since we have 4 beautiful ribeye steak pieces, so we'll take 4 yellow potatoes. Sea salt. Okay, so here we go. 1 whole big spoon of salt, another whole big spoon of salt. Massage all your ribeye steak with the potatoes, with everything, just make sure everything. I'm putting everything on my clothes as well, since I'm not wearing the apron of Mair Hungry. Ooh, 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 it smells so good. Okay, just make sure everything is covered, everything has the flavors. And look, this big guy, man. These are big pieces. 3.5 pounds, bro. I'm holding 1.5 or maybe 2 pounds. I feel this is 1 pound, this is 1 pound. This is 2 pounds of the ribeye steak. Just make sure, my friend, to mix everything up. This is a POV shot. The grinder, we will add at least 3 whole tomatoes. Just slice them, make small cubes. Add these beautiful tomatoes, my friend, in here. You'll take 1/2 cup of water. Here you go. You'll add all this sauce right just like this, right on top of it. I have beautiful green chilies. Look at this pot. We have marinated the meat. We have provided all the flavors for this meat. We'll cover this all the way, on top. Alright, so let's bake this at 350 degrees at least for 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. 350 degrees. Right, I'll see you guys after 2 hours now. After 2.5 hours. 2 hours it was cooking, guys. Half an hour and it was just on the rest. Okay, this is the moment of truth right in front of you. Oh my God, look at this beautiful. My God, look at this. the bone has separated itself from the meat. 2 hours cooking at 350 degrees, the potatoes will be 100% done, right? I took a nap, guys, so you can tell from my face, right? Anyway, I've made some brown rice in a rice cooker. Let's land the potatoes right here. Alright, so here you go. Let's land this right here. I had to get a different spoon for this. OMG. Look at this stew sauce. You can put this on top of your rice. Okay, just by the touch, here you go. This is just so tender, so soft. My friend, make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I never made any slow-mos of this recipe. It's just because it's a whole dish, I don't want to over project it. It's just a nice dish. Make yourself this dish at home. Get a ribeye steak. Look at this big piece. Have it in a baking pot. Add some potatoes, some onions, some garlic, some tomatoes, some cumin, some coriander, some red chilies, some salt, some olive oil. I have showed you all the way how to do this, and bake this for 350 degrees at least for a couple hours, and you'll be happy about this recipe. It's a complete dish. I have my friend coming up over and we're gonna eat this recipe, and you will enjoy this recipe. Trust me, make this recipe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon. The bell icon means you will get every single update about this channel, and you will learn how to make these beautiful meals. I'll see you on the next one. It's a very easy recipe to try out. Bye bye for now.